You've got an audience of any kind, but the money just isn't coming in. Here is the truth. You don't need to build a giant course. You need a simple path from free follower to paying customer. And I'm going to build that whole path from scratch right now. It's 5 simple products, and I'll show you how this could add up to about $11,000 a month. And I'll give you the free AI prompt that builds the same stack for you and your niche. As my example, I'm going to talk about a newlywed couple who were growing fast and were still broke. Adam and Kara flipped yard sale antiques on Facebook Marketplace, and their Instagram was blowing up because people loved watching what they found, what they paid, what they resold their items for. But one problem, the audience was growing, but the money was not. So they made one smart shift. Instead of only flipping antiques, they started teaching people how to find valuable antiques themselves. And this is where everything changed. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, where you can sell digital downloads, workshops, memberships, subscriptions, and grow your email list with no website and no tech headache. Here's the big idea. Social media gets attention, but your email list turns that attention into money. Someone scrolling Instagram is distracted, but someone who joins your email list has raised their hand and said, yes, I want more of this. So Adam and Kara do not start with a huge $400 course. They build 5 simple offers that move people from curious follower to paying customer. Rung 1 is the freebie. Its job is to turn a follower into an email subscriber with one fast win. For Adam and Kara, the freebie is the 50 yard sale finds that can resell for $50 or more. Simple, specific, useful. A beginner downloads it and knows what to look for at a yard sale or estate sale, but free does not pay rent. So Rung 2 is the tiny paid offer. Marketers call this a tripwire, but it's just a small, obvious paid offer someone sees right after they grab your freebie. Usually it's between $7 and $27. And for Adam and Kara, the tiny paid offer is the $19 antique flipper toolkit. They offer it right after the freebie because this is when a person is at peak interest. They just downloaded the checklist. They're thinking, wait, maybe I could do this. So Adam and Kara make the next step obvious. Let's make the math realistic. Say 1,000 people download the freebie in a month. If 8% buy the $19 toolkit, that's 80 buyers. So 80 times $19 is $1,520 from a freebie that was growing your email list anyway. That tiny paid offer turns a subscriber into a buyer on day 1. And once someone buys from you once, it's much easier for them to buy again, which brings us to Rung 3. Rung 3 is the bigger digital download. So for Adam and Kara, this is the $39 weekend flipper playbook. Teaches where to shop, how to tell if something's worth buying, how to clean it up, price it, and write the listing. This is the full system. So let's say 16% of the toolkit buyers purchased the playbook within the next month. So if 80 people bought the toolkit, about 13 buy the $39 playbook. 13 times $39 is $507. Now, Adam and Kara have 3 simple digital products. The first checklist grows the email list. The $19 toolkit creates the first sale, and the $39 playbook teaches the full method. AI can help you move fast here. AI can help draft the freebie, outline the tiny paid offer, structure the bigger digital download. You still have to add your taste, your experience, your voice. But these first 3 products do not have to take months. Now we get to the top of the stack, where things become more valuable because bottom of the stack is information, but the top of the stack is access to you. So Rung 4 is the live workshop. For Adam and Kara, the workshop's called What Would You Buy? Live Antique Pricing Workshop. It's $97. People submit photos of items they found at yard sales, and Adam and Kara price them live. A download gives information, but a workshop gives feedback. Feedback is more valuable. So AI can create a checklist, draft a guide, but AI cannot be you on a live call, looking at someone's problem and giving your specific opinion from your specific experience. This is what people pay more for. So let's say 30 people join their monthly workshop at $97. 30 times $97, $2,910 for one live afternoon. Then we get to Rung 5, the membership. For Adam and Kara, the membership's called the Flippers Club. It's $39 a month. Members get monthly hot pick lists, live Q&A, pricing help, and a community. The membership's not just more content, it's ongoing help. So let's say Adam and Kara grow the Flippers Club to 150 members. 150 times $39 is $5,850 in recurring monthly revenue. Now let's add this up. The membership, remember, brings in that $5,850. The workshop brings in $2,910. The toolkit, playbook, and small product sales bring in roughly $2,000 to $2,500, depending on traffic and conversion. That gets Adam and Kara to around $11,000 a month. And more than half of that is recurring. Now, are these numbers automatic? No. They need traffic, an email list, consistency, and products people actually want. But the structure is simple. They have an audience, and now they have a path. Here's what I would not do at the beginning. I would not start with ads. First, build the path. And you do not have to design this from scratch. I made a free AI prompt that builds all 5 rungs for you and your niche. It creates your free lead magnet, your tiny paid offer, bigger digital download, live workshop, and membership. It also gives you the price, what to include, the buying trigger, and why someone would naturally climb from one rung to the next. Here is the product stack prompt on the screen. You can screenshot this, or the link is below, so you can just grab it. Now let me show you why this is much simpler to set up than most people think, because all 5 rungs can live in one place, and that one place is MiloTree. Here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. I'm going to show you how I set up the first 2 rungs in my ladder. So first, I've set up my freebie here. MiloTree's AI helped write this opt-in page, and MiloTree delivers the freebie automatically when someone signs up. Now here, I'm going to add my tiny paid offer. I add the product like any other product in MiloTree. I use the MiloTree AI to create this sales page. Then inside my freebie product details page, I click upsell/tripwire. From this drop-down menu, I choose the product I want to show after someone opts into my list. Now the $19 offer automatically appears on the thank you page after someone grabs the freebie. So the freebie is not just growing my email list, it's also creating the first chance to make a sale. Same dashboard can hold your freebie, your digital download, your workshop, and your membership. That's right, same dashboard, same checkout, same AI sales pages, same simple setup. Money goes straight into your bank account, and you can offer your first freebie and your first product for free on MiloTree forever with no credit card. When you're ready for the full stack, that runs on our Grow plan, $25 a month paid annually. And if you do not know what to sell yet, no problem. Our AI product finder gives you personalized digital product ideas for your niche and audience in under a minute. Start free. The link to MiloTree is below. Here's your plan. Grab the free product stack prompt. Run it for your niche. Start with the first 2 rungs, your freebie and your tiny paid offer. Add them to MiloTree. Then you're going to share that freebie link everywhere your people already are. Social media bio, your posts, your blog, email signature, your YouTube descriptions, your podcast, Facebook groups where it's allowed. Every freebie download is the beginning of a path. Your job is to make the next step obvious. And in my next video, I'll show you where to find your first 100 customers, even if you have no audience yet. Join me here.